Welcome to Arthur's Acre. We've been around for a little under 2 years. We have 23 pigs. We focus on pigs. They're amazing animals. I mean, they're as smart as a 4-year-old child. So there's an epidemic in the United States of people being duped into these mini pigs, and they don't exist. It literally doesn't exist. Never, ever, ever does one in the world exist. We have a 400-pound mini pig that can't walk, that we are doing intensive physical therapy with right now 5 hours a day to try to save his life. There's a thing called mechanically blinded, and that's fat blind. They get so obese that the fat just covers their face. That happens with the potbellies, you know, the smaller pig, because people think it's really cute to feed them.
Louie's previous owners kept him illegally inside their home for 2.5 years. He was never allowed outside the dining room.
This is how he's going to respond because of his past.
Yeah.
So he has trauma in his past.
Okay, so I'm up here at the Atlas. The Atlas is related to the shoulder. When I work on human frozen shoulders, people that can't lift their shoulder, I always adjust the Atlas or the occiput. So I'm always looking for a misalignment there because the nerves go down through the neck and out into the shoulder. Okay. So I'm getting like where the anterior tubercle of the Atlas is pitching forward. So I'm going to bring the Atlas back bilaterally. So I'm on the wings of the Atlas and I just flip back like that. And I got it. Okay.
That was his best. That's awesome. That was the best fight. Yeah. His mouth was fully open. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So that'll release a lot of...
small little...
Yeah. So that's actually good because that will release nerves. That'll stimulate all the cranial nerves, the vagus nerve for digestion.
We need that.
Yeah.
He has urinary issues too. He holds it in too.
He's got a big misalignment here at the thoracolumbar. Well, now I'm a little higher.
Now he's not flat surface. Is that fine?
No, because I'm on the disc line. Okay, so here's another tender area. Now I am at the thoracolumbar junction. So now I'm going towards the TMJ. And the TMJ on animals as well as humans, but even more with animals, can get really sensitive. And that's why he's not liking this. But he might like it if I set it, though. So I'm just going to rub it out. Do you see he's making less noise?
And that's tight on him.
Yeah, it's tight because of his extra weight and
tension.
So he can't enjoy his rooting.
Right.
Now look, I'm really on it right now. I'm on that TMJ. Believe it or not, a TMJ can also affect the forward gait, the shoulder. I'm not saying it's the cause, but it's another irritant that he doesn't need. So now I'm going to do a little adjustment on that, okay? I'm going to come down like this. This will make him jump up a little bit, but it's worth getting. So I have to be very accurate. Watch. So I got a good TMJ adjustment. Look how he mellowed out.
His feet are completely relaxed.
That was really good. You saw how stressed out he was, and by adjusting his lateral TMJ on the left, he just went tranquil. That's pretty cool, though, right?
I love it.
So that was a great adjustment.
He's
Accurate.
so much trauma and
Very accurate.
Anything to make him comfortable. So that was really cool. Like that was to see him just settle was really nice. You know, I mean, he's such a sweet boy, and he just needs a chance. He's only 2.5 years old, and just anytime he feels comfort is beautiful. That was awesome, right?
Yeah, it was great.
We were as close as you can get to thinking he gave up.
Yeah.
Well, we had the appointment to euthanize, and we just talked about it. It was me, Gene, and Rose, and we were just like, we'll do whatever it takes. He's 2.5 years old. He deserves a life.
He does.
He
He's so sweet.
First time he stepped on grass was here. He
Wow.
lived in a dining room. Never went outside. Didn't walk for 10 months. First time he saw the sky was here at 2.5 years old.
I'm gonna definitely do everything I can, but I'm glad we didn't miss the TMJ.
Okay, this is not going to be pretty, so you just got to stand up.
Let me get out of your way. You've done it before.
That was an easy one. He usually screams a lot.
There you go.
Okay. So this side's tender too. So I might look at
that's his tender side. I figured that's where you're going to get it from.
but I might do this draw too. Let me just get on it first. So first I'm just gonna hold that little trigger point. So this front limb is where he has pain. He's been limping. He's not been able to support his body weight from what you said, right?
Yes.
So this is, I'm in the pain area here. Okay. So right here, I'm on the, okay, this is where the humerus is connecting. Here we go. One more. There it goes. Let's let him settle down. I just adjusted the shoulder. Now I'm going to adjust the TMJ on the right, but a slightly different angle. I'm going to go more rostrally. Well, okay, okay. And that's it. That's all I'm going to need to do.
That's what we wanted. We did all the good stuff. And now he can relax. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted.
So I did 2 alignments. I adjusted the radius on the front right limb, and I also adjusted the humerus. It was in lateral anterior humerus. I adjusted both. I also checked the scapula on the right, but it seemed to be okay. I adjusted his TMJ bilaterally, but differently. So on the left, I did mostly just L to M, lateral to medial. On the right, I also was going rostrally or towards the snout. And so I went in and through and down. But you can see the difference.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, look at, he was upset when I was working on his tender points
right.
because it's really tender. But then immediately it's accepting, like, to see that calming is a beautiful thing, isn't it? So how do people stay in touch with what you're doing? Can they donate? How does it work?
We're 100% donation based. We don't take salaries at all. We have our website, Arthur's Acres, animalsanctuary.org. And then our Instagram page, Arthur's Acres, Facebook, Arthur's Acres as well.
Now, could people even donate $5 a month or something like that?
We have a Patreon account. You can sponsor any animal here. We have 54 animals that you can sponsor. We have a Patreon that's a monthly sponsorship platform. There you go. Bye. I'll see you later. He's, the king of Arthur's Acres and just the most amazing animal. Beautiful soul.